Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm going to show you where the mass airflow sensor is on a 2021 Toyota Corolla, and I'm also going to show you how to remove and replace it. So first off, we're going to come over to the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle just to open up the bonnet, open up the door fully, come down into the footwell and give that lever a pull, and we're going to come back to the front of the car. Put your hand in just above the Toyota badge and then put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With your bonnet now safe and secure, we can actually have a look around the engine bay, and over on the right hand side we've got our battery, our main fuse box, and then this is our air box where our air filter is held. Now moving along the duct, this is actually our mass airflow sensor, and you can see the direction of airflow by this arrow. So all we're going to need to take this out is actually a Phillips number 2 screwdriver. But first off, we're going to remove the electrical connection, which is pretty easy. You're just going to press in that button there and then slide the electrical connection away. Then we can go ahead, get our Phillips screwdriver and take both screws all the way out. And then what we want to do is we're just going to slowly retract our mass airflow sensor, making sure it doesn't bash on the sides, and then that is what our sensor looks like. So check the numbers on your one before you actually order new ones. There is a slight variance on them, but that's all the mass airflow sensor is. And we're going to go ahead, drop that straight back in the same orientation, whether it be the new one or this one, and line up your 2 screw holes. No need to do it up too tight. Get your electrical connection and just pop that straight back on, making sure it clicks. And then that's how easy it is to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor on a 2021 Toyota Corolla. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.